In this tutorial, we will be adding a time zone to WIN-PAK. First, click on Configuration, Time Management, and Time Zone. Click on the Add button, and for this example, I will be using 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. To add a range, place your mouse on the M line for Monday, left click, and drag to the right. Another way to add a range is to right-click and manually add in your times. Note the end time will be in military time. Click the OK button. If you would like to delete a range, right-click on the range and choose the Delete Range button. If you would like to copy Monday to weekdays, choose the Monday to Weekdays button in the upper right-hand corner. In WIN-PAK PE, you will have an Accounts tab. In WIN-PAK SE and XE, you will not. I am running WIN-PAK PE. Click on the Accounts tab. In the Available Accounts column, you will see the account you are logged in with. Click on it, click on the Add button, and now it shows in the Selected Accounts column. Go ahead and click OK. Close out of the Time Zone box. Next, we need to add the time zone to the panel. Click on Configuration, Device, and Device Map. Click the plus next to the communication server. And for this example, I will be adding my time zone to my NetAccess 123 panel. Right-click, click on Configure, click on the Time Zones tab, and you will notice your new time zone will show in the top Available Time Zone box. Highlight your new time zone, click the blue down arrow in the middle, and now it will show under your Selected Time Zone box. Go ahead and click OK, and close out of the Device Map box.